अगर मंजिलें हैं तो उन तक पहुंचने के जरिए भी। बस सोच चाहिए जो आपको उन जरियों तक पहुंचा सके। हम अपनी इस नई सीरीज उड़ान में आपको ऐसे कामयाब लोगों से मिलवाएंगे जिन्होंने डिजिटल क्रांति के जरिए सफलता की बुलंदियां चूमी। आज स्वतंत्रता दिवस के मौके पर मेरे साथ आप भी चलें पूरे देश के सफर पर, कामयाबी की इन अनोखी दास्तानों को सुनने के लिए। ऐसी दास्तान जिनमें बदलाव का झोंका है। सपनों से हकीकत तक के इस नायाब सफर को हम आप तक अगले 6 हफ्ते तक लगातार लेके आएंगे। चांदनी चौक का जिक्र होते ही निगाहों में तस्वीर खिंच जाती है लजीज खानों, खूबसूरत साड़ियों और न जाने कितनी ही तमाम चीजों की। लेकिन इस बाजार में जहां पुरुष कारोबारी ही पूरी तरह हावी हो, वहां एक महिला ने अपने डिजिटल फैब्रिक प्रिंटिंग की नायाब डिजाइन के दम पर अपनी अलग और सफल पहचान बनाई है। आरती एक पत्नी, एक माँ और एक बेटी। इन्होंने स्नैपडील के जरिए अपने ब्रांड मी स्लीप को एक खास पहचान दी है।
ख्वाबों का, तेरे सपनों का।
I had my small in-house boutique, where I was just.
हमारी इस नई सीरीज उड़ान में आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। इस सीरीज में हम आपकी मुलाकात ऐसे लोगों से करवा रहे हैं जिनमें आत्मविश्वास और जुनून है। डिजिटल स्पेस में कदम रखकर ई कॉमर्स की मदद से अपनी जिंदगी और अपने बिजनेस को सफलता की नई बुलंदियां देने का। अब हम रुख करेंगे तमिलनाडु के शहर तिरुपुर का। हम आपकी मुलाकात करवाने वाले हैं बाला से, जिन्होंने अपनी बेहतरीन नौकरी सिर्फ इसलिए छोड़ दी क्योंकि उन्हें अपने सपने को पूरा करना था। बाला ने एंथ्रा के नाम से अपने फैशन लेबल की शुरुआत की और ऑनलाइन बिजनेस के जरिए बाला ने अपने एंथ्रा ब्रांड को घर घर तक पहुंचा दिया।
When I started working, started from some amount. 5 years on the job, I would have reached to a certain level. I wanted to start something of my own and wanted to build it, even if it is a small one. Everywhere, family, everybody were asking me a question, why do you want to quit a job? Nobody knows about what I am trying to do, and there is something which is in my mind, I wanted to explain them. Since my background is from Kasavu saree, I wanted to take Kasavu sarees and spread it across India. E-commerce was booming. Why my thinking, my thought, everything happened because if it would have been an offline, I would not have thought also, carrying stuff, showing to shop and getting orders and sending it and getting payments. All these things are long process and I don't want to go ahead with that. It has to be very clean and it has to be very simple business where I have to make money. I started with my product and it was Kasavu sarees. Very rarely few people wear it. Every female has some concept of buying a saree. They wanted to check 10-20 sarees and purchase one. And more than that, my mom told me I should touch and see the product. I don't buy a saree without touching and feeling it. So in this saree, we will be having some designs that has to be focused. Pallu will be having some designs, it need to be focused also. Snapdeal was the one I approached and they also preferred me and got many ideas from the team. Initially, I was looking for guidance. I used to get calls from them like, what have you done? What is the process? Where are you? And if anything is stuck or something, like they used to guide me. You do cataloging and bring those sarees online so we can market your product. They have an office from my region itself. Chennai is my area and I have an account manager. So it clicked. After uploading it in 7 to 8 days, I got an sale.
ख्वाबों का, तेरे सपनों का, चुन रास्ता.
The first sales was from New Delhi. My confidence level went 3 times more. Someone is from Delhi who is buying a product from Tirupur.
ख्वाब आज का सच होगा कल का तुझे वास्ता.
Went home, told my mom, I have sold a piece. This was her expression also. Really, she did not believe it. Actually, I bought a packet and showed her, this is what I am going to courier it. I felt like I should not start only with Kasavu saree. I wanted to scale it with different options. I started adding cotton saree, silk saree also I started adding it. Then there is an expansion of category where Snapdeal helped me to expand the categories also. You know, I can sell t-shirts, kids wear, pillows. I can sell whatever I wanted. When we started doing a business and it is working out, there is a mind which says like always create something innovative. The innovation what I am trying to do is like, you know, the sarees is meant for women and ladies, and these sarees are, you know, it's for a festival purpose. For Onam they wear it, that, and the Vishu they wear it. But I want this to be wear day-to-day life. My concept is something like, you know, the product has to fit for all girls and even the ladies who ever go for office work. And right now I have a launch of Kasavu kurtis for this Onam. This is what I have and something innovative for customers also. Snapdeal is the place where I can experiment. You know, the result comes in very fast. In any other business, if you are testing it, you will get the result after 3 months or 4 months. Here it is not the case. I will get a result in a week. Business is something different from the job. When I come back to the business, it is something like, you know, scratch. You can say 1.5 years, I have achieved to the level where I was earlier. And right now, I wanted to expand it in 10 times more than what I was. So that is what my full focus is on.
भारत में डिजिटल रेवोल्यूशन ने उन लोगों के लिए चमत्कार ही कर दिया है जिन्हें विश्वास है कि वो एक ना एक दिन किसी बड़े काम को अंजाम देंगे। ऐसे न जाने कितने सपने सफलता की कहानियों में तब्दील हुए और मिसाल बने देश में बदलती सोच और नई महत्वाकांक्षाओं के। अगले हफ्ते फिर हम आपको लेकर चलेंगे कामयाबी के ऐसे ही सफर पर और मिलवाएंगे ऐसे ही कामयाब लोगों से। तब तक आप अपने सपनों को पंख देने की कोशिश करें ताकि आप भी दे सकें अपनी जिंदगी को एक नई उड़ान।